how to process credit on Pixverse AI video generator app. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you process credit on Pixverse AI video generator app. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Pixverse AI generator app. So simply you have to open it. And now from here, after logging with your account on this Pixverse AI, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this basic credits just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on this basic option. And now from here, you'll be able to purchase credit on Pixverse AI. So right now I have the basic plan, so I can use the daily credit 60. So for the purchasing process on this interface, you'll have to choose one plan from here. So like you can, as usual, go with the standard plan. So on the standard plan, you'll got 1200 credits on the monthly, and on the pro subscription you'll got 6000 monthly renewed credits, and as usual on the premium version you'll got 15,000 monthly renewed credits. So from here you can choose any on this plan, and after you choose any of the subscription plan, you'll have to choose two options from here. So as you can also purchase subscription yearly based, or you can as usual do it from monthly. So simply from here you can choose one. Alright, so now after choose one from here, you'll have to tap on the subscribe option just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to start your payment method. So as you can also add credit card or debit card to start payment from here. So after you confirm the payment from your credit card or debit card, you'll be able to purchase the credit on Pixverse AI app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to purchase credit on Pixverse AI generator app. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.